And how much do you get? Well, it's not as much as you were hoping for. That's pretty much what I'd say. So men get more than women. And if you're the highest earners in the land, so it doesn't matter your career, it's just you're making lots and lots of money. You've made over the taxable wage base for most of your career, which means you're making 170,000 this coming year, 160,000 this year, and or more. And when you make $1 million a year, that's great, but your maximum benefit payment is going to be calculated very specifically, and you're only going to get $3,800 a month or $45,000 a year. So it's nowhere near the $1 million you were making.
Wow.
Not meant to replace income. It's meant to give you a small social safety insurance net. That's all it was ever designed to do. That's what it continues to do. So that's usually a big shocker, Danny, with people are
Well,
thinking it's like, well, I make $1 million a year. I should at least be getting $500,000 from Social Security. No, you don't pay in that much. You don't get out that much.